financial budget of 2024 and 25. Financial Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced the Union Budget 2024-25 in the Parliament on July 23. The budget focused on provisioning for the agricultural sector, the introduction of schemes related to employment, loan schemes, announcement for financial support to the MSME sector, infrastructural development. The taxation budget comes in the form of a revision in tax slabs under the new tax policy. The increases in the Mudra loan limit from 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs is a significant boost for small business. The reduced turnaround threshold for mandatory onboarding on the TREDS platform will further unlock working capital and drive MSME growth. As we move towards a $5 million economy, this measure will empower MSMEs to compete globally and contribute sustainability to economic development. In a collaborative efforts between the government and industry stakeholders, this initiative aims to skill 20 lakhs youth over the next 5 years. This forward-thinking approach not only aligns with the evolving demands of the healthcare sector, but also strengthens our commitment to fostering a skilled workforce prepared to tackle future challenges. This budget has the potential to significantly boost our nation's growth trajectory, aligning with India's aspirations of becoming a global leader. As we progress, this budget plays a crucial role in sharpening our future. The introduction of women-specific program is potentially commendable, as it aims to empower women and make them more independent. Additionally, the new central scheme for skilling, in collaboration with state governments, the upgradation of technical institutes and focus on employment are set to pave the way of developed India. This productive approach demonstrates a forward-thinking vision for the country. The proposal to increase deduction for family pension under the new tax regime should also provide some relief those in the golden years. The proposed credit guarantee schemes for purchasing equipment, machinery by MSMEs. An important aspect of the budget is the Prime Minister packages of 5 schemes and initiatives to increase employment and skilling for 4.1 crore youth, with a budget of 2 lakh crore over the next 5 years, highlights a strategy that will meet future job demands and boost our economy. Overall, the budget shows a positive step pushing India towards a future where education, employment, and inclusive growth are at the forefront of national development. These are all brief information of July 23, 2024 budget of India. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Thank you.